Hello everyone, today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Black color, green color, and now we use yellow color, red color. The last one is blue color. Kids, first we draw capital letter alphabets and now we use black color. A for apple. Now we draw the letter of B. B for ball. Now we draw C. C for cat. Now we draw D. D for doll. Now we draw E. E for egg. Now we draw numbers. First we use blue color and draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. Now we draw the number of 2. T-W-O, 2. The next one is 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Now we draw 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Now we draw 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Kids, now we draw 2D shapes. First we use black color. The shape of square. Now we draw circle. The next one is triangle. Now we draw the shape of heart. Now we draw the shape of star. Kids, now we coloring 2D shapes. First we use green color. The shape of square. The next one is circle. Now we use yellow color. The color of yellow. Now we use red color. The shape of triangle. Now we use black color. The next one is star. Blue color. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching.